Hi everybody, this is a video to help out Maggie, I believe. Maggie H was the person who commented this and asked if I could pack up the Lilly Jade Danielle a couple of different ways, and I'm happy to. I have used this bag as a quick trip bag when I had my first daughter, and I just had the one. And she was pretty young. I would say she was a newborn, maybe a couple of months old before I really couldn't use it for very long before I needed more space. It was a great quick trip bag during that time though, like just for a couple of months when I first had her. I breastfed her though, so I didn't need to put a whole lot of stuff in here, and now I have two. So sometimes I can use it, but it's just very difficult. Like, you really have to stuff it full. I'm going to show you two different organizers, and then also just kind of throwing things into it and show you how it looks in all of those ways. And I hope this is helpful, and thank you, Maggie, for asking. And let's just get started. I have, let's go through this stuff. I have not needed to take this yet, and so I just have it here to see whether or not I can get it to work, but this is a travel potty training potty. Then I've got a bib here for my youngest. She is 10 months old. I have a couple of different types of wipes, a Wubbanub, and some teething toys. My mask, because of what's going on in the world right now. Some diaper disposal baggies, a bottle just in case, and my keys, hand sanitizer. This is a multi-cover from Copper Pearl that I take. These are our insurance cards and club cards. My wallet. Sorry, I forgot these two pouches. This is my med kit, and these are diapers for my children. I have a size 3 diaper in here and a pull-up, a change pad, and some rash cream. So I would not take this out for anything more than a quick trip, so I don't pack more than one diaper for each child. I also do have a car bag so that if I needed more, those are in there. Start with the bigger things first, I guess. These are the diapers, and I can just pop those just down in there, and same with the med kit. Here's our multi-cover, and here's a bottle. I'm just gonna put it on this side over here and maybe stand this up. Yeah, okay, so I stood this over on its side. This is the med kit, sorry. Wipes, popping those down there in the middle part as well. And now we get to, let's see. For me, I generally like to just kind of have, oops, not that, the toys just kind of loose in there, just because I just want to be able to reach in there and grab them and not worry about anything. So got those in there. I probably would put the bib and my mask in this back zipper pocket of the Danielle. The trash bags, just pop them over here on the side. My keys. I don't know if there's a key leaf. There is. I'll just attach them to the key leash. Making that look difficult. It probably isn't that bad. I'm not going to be able to put this in here, so I'm actually going to leave it out altogether. My wallet, which is the Carry Kit Poppy, I have got in the, gosh, I don't know if you can, hang on, let me see if I can move this up a little bit so you can see. Let me come at it this way. There we go. I have it in this slip pocket here, and then I'm going to put the Carry Kit Oprah, which has all of our insurance cards, in this pocket here. And then you can zip it up and everything is in there. And hand sanitizer, I would probably just stick right here. My phone would go in this pocket, or this one. Actually, let me go get it. And then my phone, I would put just right here in this front middle zip pocket. It kind of sticks out a little bit for me. And this is the 11 Pro. Or if I wanted it to be more secure, I could stick it back here. So she's pretty full, not gonna lie, she's definitely full. And I couldn't get the training seat in there, but this is still packed for 2 for a quick trip. And as you can, as you can see, with this side, like when it's all squinched up like this, there's still some space right here. So if you really needed to get one more thing, like maybe some, like a small bag of snacks or something like that could fit in there. She's kind of, she doesn't look comfy, but I do have everything in there. So that would be one way to pack her up for 2. Okay, so first thing first, let's try putting this here in this outside pocket. Okay. And then the bottle. Let's see. I feel like if I put these in here like that, I won't be able to zip that to closed. So I might put all 3 of these items just kind of down in the main compartment of this organizer, just like that. And then in the pockets on the sides, I would put the toys and the teether. And again, in the pocket over here, maybe put, no, probably not, that's a little tight. On this other side pocket of this, I'd put the diaper or the trash bags. Let's see, this is pretty full now as far as the insert is concerned. It's pretty full. So let's get that down in there and see what we're dealing with. Okay, so I didn't remove the Poppy or the Oprah from this, so my wallet and my insurance cards and stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and put the mask in this back zip pocket, and frankly I'll probably, let me move this bib back here too, so it's in the same place that it was before, and I think that works a little bit better. These keys, I'm going to again just put them on the key leash in here, just kind of tuck them down. Let me see, I don't know, I might not be able to get, no, okay, so using the Purse Amy organizer, we still have lots of stuff in here, but we can't put the multi cover in there. But that's everything in there, still looking pretty organized, and you can zip it without any problem. And again, the phone can go in the front or in the back. So let's see. Okay. First things first, let's put the diapers in this side pocket right here. Sorry, I'm doing this off to the side. There's a side pocket on this side over here, and that's where I've put the diapers. And then this one actually has an insulated bottle pocket, so I've put the bottle there. I will put the diaper bag or disposal baggies in this little, gosh, I just need to move all this. It's over here in this side pocket. You could stick it on the D-rings or something like that too, and then probably work out just fine. And then there's this other pocket right here, and I'm just going to stuff the toys and the Wubbanub in there. So there's still some room in the bottom of this. At this point, I'm actually going to go ahead and put it into the bag though, because just because there's room in this organizer out here doesn't mean there'll be room inside of the bag. It does fit in there just fine. So, okay, now let's see. I'm going to put the med kit in there in the main part. I'm going to stick these wipes in front of the diapers. Gosh, may not work. Okay, let me just take that out. I just don't know. I don't think that's going to work. I don't think it's going to work. Okay, so the med kit ends up not going in here in order to get it to zip. So we're missing 2 of the things. But again, I mean, this is a small, you know, handbag size. And actually, you know what? Let me try something. Okay, so I've put the diapers in this side pocket over here, and the change pad and wipes in the side pocket here. I'm going to put the rash cream that I've got in the pocket with the diapers, and then I guess I'll just put the toys down here in the bottom of the bag. And then I will also in the side pocket, no. Then I'll also put the med kit into the bottom of the bag as well. So let me just show you one last time how this stuff is in here right now. And then I'm just gonna go straight to pouch packing with the Lilly Jade pouches next. So there you go, that's the Cloud 9 insert. Now we've got all the stuff here on the table, and I'm going to start off with the large packing case with all of the diapering stuff in it, and I'm going to pop it down in the bottom of this. So item number 1 is in here, the small case with the toys. It's also in there, and our med kit. Okay, so that's what it's looking like at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and put in this multi-cover and the bottle inside, and here's my wallet and our insurance cards. Back pocket, mask, and our bib. Front, I've got the hand sanitizer over there. Let me see how this would work. This might be okay. Wet ones over here. If it bothers you that shows up, you can still put it back here without any problem. And phone going in the back as well. And still have trouble zipping it up, but it's all in there now. All right, that's, I guess, more than 3. How many ways is that? 4 ways? 4 ways to pack this thing up. And all using the same items though, and I don't know if it would work out for your needs or not. I appreciate you asking about that. If you see something that I did that was not something that you would use, or you have like a specific thing in mind, let me know and I can redo this and get it set up for you to be more helpful. And I appreciate you asking, and I hope that this was useful in some way, shape, or form. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.